New episode, day 10. We have a serious situation on the farm. One of our sows gave birth to 8 piglets, but 6 of them cannot walk properly. And this is something we need to understand quickly. As we continue this journey, we are seeing both progress and challenges. That's why this is real farming. So what really happened? One of our sows gave birth to 8 piglets. At first, everything looked fine. But then, we noticed something unusual. Most of the newly born piglets were weak, and some of them could not stand or walk properly. But our management understands it, that early strength of the piglets determines their survival. If piglets cannot stand or move properly, they may struggle for feeding. And if they cannot feed well, survival becomes now a problem. The question here now is, what could cause this? There are several probabilities that can cause it. It could be nutrition issues. It can as well be feeding imbalance during pregnancy or management problems or other underlying factors. And this is why farm monitoring is very, very important. Let us link this challenge now to the previous challenge. If you have been following this series, you know that earlier we had a premature farrowing. And now we are seeing another issue. This shows something important. Farm problems are often connected. One weakness in the system can show up in different ways. This is why I always emphasize on structure, because farming is not about reacting to problems only, but it is also about preventing them before it can even occur. Every stage right now matters. Their feeding, monitoring, environment, everything must be controlled intensively. Right now, we are paying close attention. We are monitoring the piglets. We are reviving. We are renewing our processes. And we are making adjustments where needed or where it is necessary. Because the goal is simple: improve outcome and prevent the issues from repeating itself. This is reality of pig farming. It is not about being perfect, and it is not always perfect. There are good results, and there are also challenges too. But what matters is how you respond and improve them. So now, at day 10, on this episode, we have seen premature farrowing initially. We have also seen weak piglets now. And this tells us something important. There may be a deeper issue in the system. In this video, I will show you what we are changing on our farm to correct this. If we are serious about pig farming in Nigeria, you need to understand the full reality. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn about real pig farming. And also comment below, what do you think could cause piglets not to work properly? This is Ugocentury. Thanks for watching, and see you again on our next episode.